Hello, friends. Today we learn new things.
Touch letter A. A is for apple. Touch letter B. B is for butterfly. Touch letter C. C is for cat. Touch letter D. D is for dog. Touch letter E. E is for elephant. Touch letter F. F is for flower. Touch letter G. G is for grapes. Touch letter H. H is for horse. Letter I. I is for ice cream. Touch letter J. J is for joker. Touch letter K. K is for king. Touch letter L. L is for lamp. Touch letter M. M is for mouse. Touch letter N. N is for nest. Touch letter O. O is for owl. Touch letter P. P is for pencil. Touch letter Q. Q is for quail. Touch letter R. R is for rocket. Touch letter S. S is for sheep. Touch letter T. T is for train. Touch letter. V. V is for van. Touch letter. W. W is for watermelon. Touch letter. X. X is for X-ray. Touch letter. Y. Y is for yarn. Touch letter. Z. Z is for zebra.